alibela umalklavo ko leungid sid sel mergit. Katama ngaltangater al sil se opanggedar adara Ministry of Health and Human Services. Makmul masa nur sergi dara Rita Masub malbol syokar tigal lulbanggel may malungil tutal mergod makumil tewang. Happy breastfeeding week.
Malung tutat sene miltutan mararo kul adal lo nesetial show orense the radio station ako bukum ulsyo kaya kamamal ngartiang alo banggela chen ma nga Rita Olgaril correctional sedilya chen ndakal musubak Rita Olgaril nga ka ungara ara family health unit cell clinical longara al lo mesrarangal kamar ardiol mar adam mar adil upang ka error ito al HR Coro State Government ma Dr. Yuriko Esra kaniya pediatrician kamam gel doktor rangal ma pilom tamangil niya adara ko tila de renge nga malmasaulal mal champion na breastfeeding nga ya volunteer lobang kamamra clinic. So tial breastfeeding wiga sa all around the world al 2025 ya dimrengiya prioritize breastfeeding create sustainable support systems. August 1st, almora August 8, makakutak malvimre nga sulila President Rablur Belaw atangakal surang Whips Junior ang le sayra proclamation or sira Wednesday ang le July Dori. Tiamral burdera nga ke maral moldub artial breastfeeding malwul warangi masapa aklarangi protectorangi ma sira Friday el August 1st agim lora outreach el mora Peleliu State mirura men's clinic ma women's clinic men's health women's health ma breastfeeding community survey mal neungila turn out ringi sira Eli el Monday laringi breastfeeding training tirgel toktang ardiol ma toktang rangal kamar nurse obi mar nurse family health unit amlara CME others at Tuesday el August 5th talk show lo banggela Jennifer ma adra Coro State tira amne re-release el palasir tir el girela maternity leave mang error ang kaya mom's father sira aurul Wednesday el August 6 nga niya roadside campaign el loban trirar Palau baseball team at el Gold Stars nila kontra Blue Belaw nga gimral Samariyar loban trileng silang arselo bang kamaming maral it's speak volume se mal motpiital breastfeeding Thursday el August 7 ngaring isil Boop to Food Project algukti kamamar nurse martoktang momite ngaring launching ra book there's still same day ra 4 p.m. ngaring walkathon ra Elmwood Park almora Belaw National Hospital mata dimle gayit ya cook yildra floral mora Dr. Y. Bimal sulam
Ang ito Rita total mora rugul adlore sa taltoksyo ngam solat siya ko ngay mong sa amal merteng yak du ka du esira ikal lukuk tele the protect the promote the breastfeeding saula error makoror state obis na kabarnor koror state el mesab ellet ka umume makatakuk siya kay gidal malungil aisel kinela protection ra breastfeeding why ke lulo ko arita kama mamla mo mla for the last 10 years ra doru at el breastfeeding week at nga every year ourselves first week August nga nga theme every year lobangel tegi the breastfeeding week theme al week kuk al year prioritize breastfeeding, create a sustainable support system mang akmaral ding arteng emeral oyeng artial theme leng I think arugul adara chen magida na mo kada na mo matangali aklung yelel tel breastfeeding dia ka question ara matangali kama ma olgis akarir hospital ma aradil selbeldiol mora pilo mongolgis akaringi tataying me akiril mo tololgis akartial breastfeeding ma I think ara blue bla mlamo wellburst tangaring policy hospital kira la breastfeeding Dil suko mandia ka selko podo sa dra social support promotion selbo do sa dra protection en telgi belwal gora dia kalsal masisi protection segi del protection se mo support mo tigui rulitial aigal teaching maigal practice el the promote support el sustainable so protection kadamral masadra la I can do so much with this and this woman dia ka starting with policy regulation madekala dia kal makmaral artia oyang ra governor mara les obisra ko state resera kimreng sing it was like we were like jumping como tiamla mo regulation magyom ko dong lo korgera isel mang say ki nga sukum dia ka protection yang dia kal salungila ma remember 10 ma 11 OEK ingwam lang isel maternity leave single pa sa Senate el bo del OEK mal dia ka question third reading mora si house ko stable I don't know ako karam lengot out the swear ma priority tier di hopefully pavangat teng mal mangale ra senator sergid mar delegate sa poti sa sela tulutul ko rasi ang erengil mo appropriate for everybody le aso makor state ma PPUC sabi erulit yang for their employees I think we can all support each other rulit yang may malso kal di merteng ngun sa error mal ko kwadi mo share experience tirel anon dir kal bol 1 year mung pato kay gel ako kora omwesel sabi era baby ra kumbali kora private sector sa Lomes kuk masubol el kirel mang vai so kan ngum sa error chen mal ko over segi del kuk how did they come up with that tenga ko kora mesangal
malungil total merar bekla ang artiang kom sulang almle invite ra koror state al gukme share experiences en wangaranga atetelel sotel el policy ra maternity ma paternity lo effective sera January 1st under administration rudim kabenor ayos rudim ne feel el waseng Girat el support tra families, especially mothers, young parents, ngultub away gayidal, milsang mulwasing girel, important the builder tayid akora, family community ra alsel akora state. Mangsaygi da igimlo really policy, etal policy maternity leave wal blol increase temel umlaria maternity leave before and then dimle 1 month masaygi tungul meserengi mulwase the increase rengi bol sapel mother mongil rest direkal pandalo bangela toloy mangri release mulwase bol 4 months so sel 4 months el mora adil wal 1 month pay the full pay the egal rest 3 months wal half pay ending direkal sukuma anggal adilul meel pato ka sikli parang walap ngarap full pay ang direkal sa bel apply gigidal sick leave o sa paigal sick leave ringi just as long faller sa gigidal for 4 months period yaku ka tadakal dil mora adil tadirekal mora asuma atama amo ngal kan direkal lol sa bel ngul 1 month I'll take care baby ma adilul meel mong 1 month I'll direkal pay the paternity sige da ako kora kimul mesterangi and then our employees at the time ma'am naringi ako le diolor sige dal tamal le excited al girel tal policy so al time gi taplar ngirel al time and hopefully gimalmol marangi champion legal kita na masak mulwasen close to talela panding ma family ma basis ra strong community life yes so ngora di kite
Magawasit tigel guk ruba kan maasertira mo lang hindi 1 month sel liver till paternity hindi alsab el ngusel another 3 months el half pay guk maldi morar adil el ang serak el gungal ka tiun tutar ngal ke mo forar create baby that time magi mo of island de say that time it the banner adil el breastfeed in public ramarigel ngora swa the local was komran masaw lakut maklitiam ngaring ya ko ra abasyo iga sel the pora ko state government nganya ko ra room el sab el sumar ar ava ego ngalubang nganya function nganya ko ra lilyakal room el sab el ar adil el mongi ol tutrar ngalgir
hindi ka wal designated hindi kal bisra ka mga o cubicle direct kal nga individual office mako to encourage our employees sa baril direct kal bring ra ngalgir may matuk te ka break mo regal ol cubicle tir but malda kim stop ra adil loba ang alakal may malubang alko kala ka babysitter direct kal sa baril ngoy titira ay flexible lang tirakal employees ra kama magidirect loss pairs tiram ay bay comfortable ikang rabay di bus mo bay so mamal tirakal ngalgi ram apart family ra horror stay
of course family lettiga order
to pato ka tirakal ngalgi ra employees ra al time ano moklaw direkal me order mar me volunteer lang nga sa horror state so this is one
ako missing cellphone mar ka school tegong bay ko ako miser tirar marig mar moita ko mi rangaramol may and eventually tabay namin maklo vista mangil bay namo order tiya government
by say
mang maralungin ngaya so mungye mista mangil
hindi ang diso kal mal sulang erurang mal for experience nga I've been doing this for the last more than 10 years sila me later ko to tanga o sa aklam lang mo niya atam na is-saturated kasi na saturated na kami nitila o sa it's that support from the workplace sir ko ay hindi ka aram doctor say mo ka sa ilo mo ka aurora mo ka sa ilo aurora matamal nata many kita di makasay hindi ka role sa rebelaw 2-3 people am al sila 1 week mang kita da hindi ka bal affect ra a performance ra adra aurora mang it's sigidor nga toktang sigidor support that's what we need that support again no matter what kada di mo dosis akil di lak sigidor legal support ra kabalmenta el mo support el mornita que del libro it's not only as erusen de kadilbor or tut tiya ba lang karl ado o kidam lang el kadam wasi it takes a longer time to regain our strength mental health issue mal problem ra postpartum depression so it's really important that mangmarmisaw la ko state
ngara Camille Garamo volunteer for the last 10 years or Tayidel program, if you may share. And nganyar ad ok motoreng sel sorin may partner sa paril lego takan makaral contactor kami.
Kamaral masulang Jennifer Tiapit. It was okay. The history is like was Dr. Otto. nga Dr. Otto Cerebral ambassador. Ang mula ask ka, ma'am, ka maadara ko tila theoring. It's a non-profit organization. Mang mula ask ka na hasin sa Bible Morte, makasi tuktang. Ngakangalagi ka man na muklol alim na. Nga say, you don't have to. So, masaya kita po come on board and then I get trained like Michael different. In fact, Kotela Theory nga is a part of the International Baby Food Network. It's a network of Blue Adel support infant and young child feeding. So that's what I get to learn a lot of all of these things. Yak na mo realize it's a passion. You know, it's really not. I do it because I care. Nga kabutut lang algyak so I know how the self benefit ng imang. Tiagi nga tel mo ko Dr. Waibil wasay. Nakakotam na mo. Mas nga na mo gira kalolungula. Please. Asugo I need somebody. I need people to come and support us and be with us. Asugo nga niya atal sabil. So wala interested. Hindi ko lang nga ka 775-7040. Kulang nga again then sabihin mo, be part of our group to do it.
And malungin lago grandchildren, so I'm sure yung pinakamli
normal. And she's a nurse, so she knows how it is. And she my kids were all breastfed until they're 3 or 4 years old. Kami man masasige del benefit rin. Kung man masulang.
Kung kasi the working place on to.
Sige the working place. That's another, because that was about 6 years ago, 8 years ago. Like I was going around there, especially kan maklol ko balir belaw, a private business ra. Tabi si Tisima West. I was asking for them kasi sabi provide a breastfeeding room. Hindi kaya karel ice packs sabi other mo the pump or breastfeed their kids. At time masurang na supercenter understand nga niya they provide the daycare and they even have I guess breastfeeding. I haven't been there, but that's what I understand. So they're another champion will provide the yagidel for the community. But it's really important for a workplace. Kung di ka lagi ka rin room, di nga yung imol ka rin ice packs. So il pump imera kong freezer siya imera kong malubit to mo rin o tutular nga ligir. Talking about the workplace sila kung sa finance, sa Ministry of Budget, set tara, vehicle, tap mula sila kung kuna daycare center, tap tatiran nga likiran mo urior. Ministry of State. Budget, office of budget ra, ang rigil, ang sila, rule mo to oy.
Malungin mangkora na mo
state or so all we need now is just the cellphone niya electrical nga ra governmental funded by federal fund are not eligible for they're not eligible for second 1 month sing 1 month ra government
You're a contractor.
and they are a contractor till. But I understand that siya urto kasi sugum mo niya la and then they follow it mo niya sugum mo niya national law kasi take their maternity leave. So
yeah, but to hardin lamura olpin hopefully and
Yes.
sabihin mo order loban
Yes,
tagdari
yes,
and make sure ring
Yes.
makatmokar al.
yeah, in fact, I got this morning. Yesterday I got a message from Delegate Raira Luasi happy. Breastfeeding week, mama kasi okay, we wait for us, we're coming.
Ngara igel gora tokta ngara igel gora mal maklo tutele laul mangire that mal encourage breastfeeding.
So, waigel gulo ko mer adrek man mo well versed ay galbral benefits ra breastfeeding and the segi the lol korya pilom self funding rang kalngal kamangkal dalala ko tuklo tutele mental health issues rangal nga in fact number one issues the facing other way so if the bonding and trust tial wangal kalmi tuting bre ka skinakaw you're building the trust if that trust is not established rahmal early on imagine ang gelngal ka you will know the outcome later on so hindi kaldil nutrition na material it's really that bonding yung galngal ka pandratalal mo edi ka mo dal other factors mo interfere sa gital breastfeeding kumun sab ila mother exclusive breastfeed for the first 6 months yung malungil litial os ela tulang mother as el mukuruling kalngal for the first 6 months the baby doesn't need to have water coconut juice or other milk hindi tial os ela tula adalala asab el mukuruli indirect kal tialom tota direct kal masum tial uterus ng mother, so the risk of ovarian cancer, even breast cancer, are decreased our mother will breastfeed. Matiyagi dal tirakal wal first dal antibody immunity gila lang kal nga. So nga kal breastfeed ati akal pakasasir. They even go on to talk about IQ. Breastfed babies are so breastfed babies high IQs. Oh, so you can really tell rangal pal. Edi nakakukto mo mesra ngara benefits ringil mo community as a whole. Komi mo makasay ling tial waste tial bel parol bea at ma infant mortality ring mang morio ma arata healthy you see the cancer rate ma infant mortality morio. In fact tirigel breastfeed el balua kotel to kurit sel kukto mesaygal international tara ding ang sokal direk kalkora di mo share out mo ay kay kita kalkora pat mikarel kumbali ma private sectors. In fact tungkol to kal obisra kakabalment they're really aware of this. Even though ada ka policy mo regulation kuk they're really promoting child breastfeeding they really allow their employers lop the lorio lop ngar gilme omtut mangway ke luloko ngar gil baby obisol bong yung ngal ka mamla mo kurur trier telang malungil example la PBA na muhturer telal ngal FHU unit. So shout out to those kumbali I know bato kal government office optetrier ngal gilmong which is very good mang direct kasel mo mesa ako kora outcome tirigay dalo optetrier ngal kal mo reore let breastfeed retention rate ako employee retention rate hindi kal dir bela makulula ako tal more pa makal employee mo content eswal malmol ngartial office lang ka support sel mal priority ringil mo ang alga kagirel welfare will taken care mo. You see that retention rate el more ba material production ng kal employer ko ka mo da ka aswalti if I'm here ang alga ka iwawe content I can work until 6 o'clock ang alga ka ngartiang mang production na mang shout out to our state
and shout out to you guys for a job well done because kumal proactive mang kadome sa igal man na spreaderan private ma public sector ma of course igal non-profit and mal supportive. Ito kaming magarangi ngaringyar adil baby that time tamele ol tute gabrul mo dia ka o sa elada tringra mang mo I say if you can share that and sa ngaringya well sa parirel mutan mo kloa o sa elada trirang.
Ma'am Sorale, General til amalungil gere. I'm glad you brought it up. Til ay kita ko tel main issue kim face ringi. So, mothers kasende ka o sila tat ma'am la mo lower production ng katit mo tiril mang we can only do so much ra teach technique. Di sugo mang tomor abla dia ka support. Palubet tomor obis, dia ka support. Tial mental health ng kalmata, hindi ka mil mang postpartum blues, ang worry ng algel, direct tel additional problem dasing hindi ako sa ela tuloy ka support ra family, siya direct contribute murang telos ela tulang kalngal. Kung selbol why say, we need to find ways to kind of make the atmosphere conducive. We tell the families kasi, sel langalangal kaya mother na mo stress ka kumuangal kukura di mostron pura mo ngilan ko la mother eloli masub el rest el gukpelom tut malubeng we have a tendency to dilang kakamdil mangal pom nga baby ramil kalme mengal mother amo da kalkan confident tertial. So it's really not a rocket science. We don't need to kasi the chance tertial setting rap like be positive adile rungal rest halguro dangal ke me kukpom rest sa kalel sum tiyak do kora mloy ke gidal kora harsel yang marang pom nga tar en family men kadil mang kanam dil mang kami sa ikal tumil mal tiyak o sa eleng mal magkakaray hindi gira del mal mo careful, mal mo gira del mal build their self confident ng kalmada kasi more sucking, more milk are going to be produced. So if there's no sucking, the production na so sumo ka ma-alternate ang cook mo decrease sa production. So igel first till 2 weeks, 6 weeks ako till kotokor o kadal. So we really need that support. Sila ko na positive. Ulit lang agyo mukatong our mother Salmira after 2 weeks sa SLBL, 6 weeks. Those are the times they have a lot of questions. They're getting mixed messages, so they have a tendency to go to other sources like Enfamil. Mang gila dal sige dal atmosphere gila dal kuk as a parents, auntie, uncle kuk kam ko rati rulyang alem maintain sel korawil atmosphere, positive atmosphere.
Man sabi ito wasip direct kasab and stress
Stress amal le suku mamadar ang umaluptok os elatul mangangal kalmen tial stress hindi na inhibitor tial flow.
Toktang sinse kang katyang goraswa talogerle elang ngaringar adal module di haloding setadiol matamang adal si malimaro me meloko atokol tamamading lo setadiol ending tamalam mange sab emel gora share was igeng mo affected tial breast milk ma angal kal ngarati la afteral meel lang.
Oh, so I get first 3 months of pregnancy. So I got kaldula 9 months. I got mingil 3 quarter 3 months. Kada mo kasi first trimester, second and third trimester. So I get first 3 months. That's a first trimester. Say a hotel critical stage. Ngal katani ko. So whatever you consume. Sige dal 3 months, ako taklo totally. So, alcohol, tobacco, nicotine. Nicotine mal sa el has a lot of side effects. Sa el ko sa, nicotine na increase sa rokoy. It's a stimulant, heart rate, common complications that we see, premature deliveries, premature babies and their complication. So, akmal nga tingi, dire kamal masulang alisel domestikal data public health, our most our mother sa tekal mersegi the first 3 months the mersegi the so whatever problem ang langir segi the first month tekal sab edel ko most of them tekal edel correct la so yes it can affect the telkaldiol of course a production na milk ko
ma-experiencer ka nurse mangkal Miss Pilo makal toktang ngaray gel gora challenges el blamwesel girel atokora breastfeeding especially sel akumdas ngayangal gal gulgering ilwas kadir ka breastfeed diam la modera tul na modera osela tu ge mal mo maring lemda re mal sum sa mel goray experiencer ka mil share ay gidel gora challenges magara the overcomer ngi of course yes kadamra low spe adam el mal mo supportive mar family immediate families.
Cook experience maka it's the legal breastfeeding 90% ang tiyang 10% tiyang. So it's really important for that support or ko niya tokta. Yang aramo nga gal arol makaldiola everybody is surrounded by family but not anymore. There are other nuclear family. Sige datar gisal mal problem esel ko tra mal gisal problem aktim lo tokta is the young grandmother. Takmal dimet mo sendi ka pilom kang likan ako sila tul. Right there and then el 2 weeks angal ka. Makpala sino hindi ka sa mulokol ba sila ngaligam oreng sir ka ka loreng sir nga mal loreng sa toktang. Lang ako oreng sa dala. Misal umulokol ba sing ngal ka mo dia ka ling tel mo to sa dala kan nakmundi ko sila tu mo. Sige del support, sige ako terklol important. Sige del as I say, nairip si wasing 90% ng atiyang, 10% atiyang. Sige lakmar doon ito del mother, a grandmother, a family support as you please. Let get successfully breastfeeding ang 6 months and up. I've seen kids like number 12 they were breastfed. And they have that support because they had a support. From the iti naman dimre amorinaka Morinaka is the, and they're all worse, but Morinaka is so sweet. Ay kita tuktas ilmu sa dawat tetela sir.
Alam mo rin na kanila.
Nga kwenta ko tingaran nila ang.
Similar ka almost to rin to.
Oo. Yan maring la aral. Masela mengal ka 2 weeks el durasing mamutmuta marijuana amorinaka. Yang berarti dal ika malasi. Ya adiol makaran na mutmuta morinaka. Mga sige the supported and I really it's that community support. They got successful breastfeeder mother have a support from the family. So that's what it is. It's a support from family.
Man sabi edel wasit toktang ang waigel olgo mista mingil 90% el minder git mangbulgol asin ang ardil el meel asabi el maral nga niya os el atul aldul wasin dia girel mga subadan sabi di mga regular kal el malmol mal nga niya os el atul even though ang gegare gadil wasi 2 to 6 weeks aklo to talel mang
Yes, ang ngui la longar wasu parwa malungkay amla amo all tak masing increase sa milk production. So those are the things we tell the mothers. But siya nung malungit kila question na ka mong masuk I'll bring up letya mal based on my experience, Marita, this is what we experience. Our mothers will have a cracked nipple. Mang maring lalomptut. Breastfeeding shouldn't be painful. Okay? So if the mother says she has pain and the attachment is not right, that means we didn't teach her the right attachment technique. So start to lang like yo ay sering la breastfeeding promotion of breastfeeding is then we actually do the attachment how to makarang umultutrangal kim kal nga mada you need to look for the signs masengkor open rangarel mla mo start already and then you attach and it shouldn't be painful and it shouldn't be noisy and so if I see a baby suckling in klongarel mother that shouldn't the attachment is not right. So that's a very common complaints. So silway siya kada coach ma'am kasi makamot kamahal kisa ka lomtut. Most of time hindi ka lungil attachment. So kada di coaching lungil attachment, a day or two ate kalmaringle start to lungil sak. So that's a common issue that we see. Leka maringal ingang maringal your mind here mo ka mobile mandi ka sakling ate ka production. We need to teach that attachment. Ede kadol arwapik sa mga clear tial, some mothers maring matamal akora ointment mga kapay ti ka mo chichipan to tim ene mong inkorati hanging may kalos asumong kora crack kaya may kal breast milk kalmul ko di paint around the nipple. Selvo sa tiyak masi attachment ta kalungil a baby sa kartial nipple. Hindi kalagyan sa kartial nipple. You need to go beyond the nipple to that areola, cell block part tertial tula motherly. That's where the factory of breast milk are. Tial nipple ako the reservoir lol total milk. So if the baby is sucking on the nipple, ang sige ding mo crack. Because you shouldn't be sucking on the nipple. You need to go beyond the nipple. Sige tablo all reason why mother takalom to tiling maringal crack nipple. So we just need to work on the attachment.
Yeah, and I'm glad that you mentioned herself.
That's a very common.
Erus seracular ngal kak mali ngal na motri yang ngal la sister nga half 4. Nga hadim le breastfeed yang sisngel udalaga morabel mloraira ya lo may engal ngal din mal ngal na mosongare makukore o tutural may engos ayang wala ko madal ka se yeah Sharon atut Yeah, so akmal understand then di adi imol ko ramle fear nga arcelos pe a breast pump elang man na mo popular a otorule la breast pump mangora so the local was nga raw the swiu as a nurse a professional tokta manusik ngungen la pample ako ka odang se kasi ay gal pampa long malotam tikya tum maselbom stable breastfeed and mo say gal gora bobay Manggora ti sa kalogel na nga rin our baby makikare na tindi gamlongal gal gora o story kasi I can relate to you malsum sa PML gora share.
Yeah, breast pump is a thing now. Yeah, amle maklol masilem la mo kikaril portable. So, hindi ka necessary chen. If the mother is relaxed and get the right techniques, attachment, she'll be okay. So, the only time I'll give, sometimes the mother is really, hindi ka nominal lobot, kaya ko ra cracky, mal ko enkor chay kal tulya, ngal kasme, ko ra premature, then, we ask them to do manually, pamalubo ka tungkol breast pump palme. Then, we don't recommend that kasi it's you need to use breast pumping. Hindi mo interfere tial ngal ka sakar tial breast. We want 100% baby sakar tial breast among mo to ka milk production. So it's not a must. It's not only if you need it. Like gile milk ka or mla mo enkort sa tumyangal ke mga raplang then that's when you can do manual pump or spare tial masil.
Meel ang korawa nga ra data as yourself mo mesma Mr. Mingilal help partigal ngalgang tamal mo mel sab edalo mesra data wasi tamaral ka mang talol tu tatang maldiga table time.
That's very good question. Letiya mo ulagi Southern Child Protection. Che nangal kasi label a mother selora leng 100% exclusive breastfeed. Selab Lora Hospital. Now you can imagine the rate after
2 weeks, 6
6 weeks. It really drops and continue to drop. Let's say give the support, even though they wanna go back to work and somebody has to work. Okay, hindi ka na mo nga ramo to kuan mama ang anti sa nga pala so somebody has to work mo ultimo sweet so they really tells at as mong maral drop pasil angal kasil tayo say somebody has to work mangyada ka osela tula talaling ka support ng gidil mo ra school mo say gidil protection mo la rules and regulations amal klub tutalil.
Wangara rol. Lego takora di okay waseng mal makasa rol elang.
Hindi rol la no mesra deira en manal morio rol it's a multifactorial out migration ada story malmol maskuli retile pregnancy return meurior ligata approaching old age magkadut high risk STI sexually transmitted infection also on the rise kita ko ra protocol factors
Mela kom gora ngartiam gora swadan melaw the swil wasi ngaraigel gora policy la on a national level el sab ever gora suggest and mga tmok malbol sab ever loba imultokoy and malmol malngusay gid strong support from the national government to the state and moray kay gid lureliw. Goram lew alele kamid sa dawa singirel mornya policy in place al uvang la al sukung ngara kora sab amil share al sab edal mo ol ngitra our leaders sergi del mo omes ruli kutmakli la ang policy on a national and state level ela ka maringa sula ko state tam la kutmakli nang usad first step and the kotokora so den mom dinga uda sulwa se magarado the raise awareness and more our leaders sergit was this is long overdue and something that gire del address make sure man sab irangal kelekong el 2 to 6 weeks el legora follow up something el was ngaring is el support the national level ma state level el help party el encourage it was en close to la tut.
Oh, okay. So, sige that channel ko lukor ngira alert mas we can all do this, promote, masab akartel breastfeeding and ding sige dal ka protection, like ala, in kadadi mo pandara pobe metangara. So, mal ngartiang mal mga learer kid, mar policy makers, let's look into that maternity leave, maternity leave act. Oo. Like last tul OEG, OEG, hopefully this OEG must look into it. Ito ko almutologi sige dati tal kim ko ngarteng mga lealaringi. Hindi ko di kasing giril lang. I think hindi ka I think there's some more. So, hopefully we'll be able to resuscitate that.
From you folks experiencing tigayida ko state lakut maklisel maternity, paternity, mang kodokora swatel mom denge de swilwase direk omomda sing aklo to te bodol ngitra leader sigidel wase bolo mesel gu ngel adam el gu pol sabel direk ka live rather than detail maternity le waigel ble mention el wase ngayon sel postpartum postpartum depression manggora di swadel kumi amrut tialurir and of course amista mingila na mo over 10 years el volunteer atemel ma service ngi gora swadel di ngwaw do swel wasi omo mesengil o sengi omo mesing gora ang close to talel
yang mal close to talel the more support the better. O masigi dal direct paternity leave. Algok tilwan we really need to sit down and look at it, come halfway, compromise. So maybe ilang a maternity leave ra government 30 working days. After that, then either ng sick leave, malubang annual leave or leave without pay. Edi ka paternity. Malsab luan mandal full pay, sige diligan ako state tal half. I mean, at least getting something. Ilate kalbol affect ra sick leave ma annual leave ka. That's kana let's meet halfway. Mas lakal sab paternity leave 1 month lang, of course direct dakal sab kuktil 1 week may first week help rang kal mother way kaya lolo ko pilom lamot kata namo nucleus ng maldi adma abi il marangal gel namo daxel koraso you rarely see that lata di over your yes I'm mga mal supporter sa kital component tra paternity leave
Michael
lobang guilty al maternity leave
Michael muesa di sabeda di wase kata di ol ngitra leader sigid el polo mesertial waya koro state wase moinga maternity paternity leave ending ngaring yangod el momdas lungi la pol so yisepertial besides ra maternity paternity sab emel el gorama de sui adam malditi ay
I think hindi sigid el masaselte lang kalma der mangkal al partner ngil take care ang kalngal ka will be okay. Now I remember hege last last bill I think kang ko ulong ko ramlo problem hege last tul OEK sel issue ra private sector se siwal ko dimle over private makabalment imachiritel di imol kakril kumbalil para maternity leave ang kal. So, sige I remember amal ni one remain issue. Let's say maternity leave wal korati across the border. Sige amlo tara kire dal ko omisige should we just cook the merengkel private sector mong cook tingi mengkel aval based on their contract to come up with something or sige ta ko ramlo me yoker sige dal bill. How do we fix that? Say it.
Baby ra timing sel di ka the mel yangal ka almost every hour dil magar. Ngaraigel ko rasap amil share lo man tatrirar avam mal diakal bol masawla rendir mar adil diakal kora mo fil alwase they're unsupported waigel mo sa del wase sige del support program support del help close to talel ngaraigel sa pamil ko ra share lo man tatriar adal oreng sa lol nga serar adal dir gamil al ubang maalung will share lo man tatrir maseligang they know what to expect especially first time mothers.
I deal with trigger del mer osongol. I mean trigger el mal ber osongol. And they usually I'm very proud that trigger barir toban trigger mer osongol. So when I talk to them, kasi breastfeeding is not easy. It's hard. And galbi malos per ka. Yan magkakalal I'm so surprised. Tamaral supportive. O makwasi. And then I give out my number too. I give them my number. I say call me anytime. It doesn't have anything to do with breastfeeding. Just call me because sometimes you just need somebody to talk
to.
Oo, isang call. And so kung medical leave, hindi kasi contact ng kal. Contact him in the middle of the night as nila alta al mother. So we have that support. Somebody sometimes they just wanted to talk. Mga sigid sa garo say tirgal barir as we said everybody a nuclear family now tirgal barir partner tirgal plol ko ado tirgal kasi kung mal mo takang hindi tirgal time and get it over get better.
Abi malungil til alkeret chenleng kung natin kapol do sa ngira self discharge as me ere but we really need to like experience maybe our new mothers why sel di makalmot tuta so maral gira say kung may partner you need to come up with a schedule mga maral nga schedule kasi kung mo shift taadra klase taadra maloms you need to sleep I always tell the moms don't be super mom priority ka rest manggal maka selbi ay wangal ke mekam iway blopangkel hindi ka bom koram rula sa lokalem clean up lai kasynchronize sa teme maka maangal ke esel guk maybe menggup take over they need to come up with so that's another thing that we teach mothers come up with a schedule most shift
may sabi dalwase since na morning igal portable el pump breast pump and sa el maral alternate I guess al freezing dir ko quality o yung last real freeze maadila ko sa el rest di ada maoval mo tutal I guess that's where postpartum depression comes in.
Exactly.
Leng ngasong sa aliway nganyar ko adilal nga cesarean
Did you know that there's no katorbela postpartum depression?
Hindi nga lang.
Hindi katorbela because it never happened because we have that support. I mean, the assumption
marang,
of say it says support the niya dom elet Maria everybody. Mga kamno sige tel to ko kasi tek start the tek pa tangral to ko dim na ko saying there's such a term. Then I guess it's from that family.
Dapat to nga involved la kayo ng kana.
Di lang lamongot ang huwadim lamo adam
Din lang acids, sudden infantile.
Acids mga rambos.
ela ka tangara di disposable pampers ang aramo ko those o'clock elang
I give out cloth like per. You give out cloth
pin tingko dato lu Mr. Tilol try pinras to
No, nakapin eh.
Poster natin.
Sa poster natin, oy, ay ga, ngagagin na lang akil. Maukura.
I give Velcro.
Oo, yung mga baby, that has it. I give them out.
Oh
It's
wow.
part of the project.
Washable.
It's washable.
wow.
Oh, washable. So and that's another thing in talking about with the climate change that we're facing. That's what I tell mother. I say, if you breastfeed, you don't have to worry. Moria typhoon, moria drought. If you breastfeed, you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, I went through 2 typhoons.
Mga error sel mo mesertial BSL la morira Coror State ang ngara tigel like baby rabalu lorings omomda sing sab edelwase both encourage til mo o miser tiange el gat maklira ka bluri.
Yes, ako man, I hope I can back state sa real direct apply. I'm pretty sure I can other states sa tekal sa mal pato our employees til wangara. Kung sa direct apply regal al state. Ako core state dekal til paternity maternity ngal kabeno rudim direct kal ngilu indirect kal puzzle apalasil direct kal mulwasal so kung tikia let's say ngal adang paternity momre gending direct tospe lolongol le dia ka librengi and direct na mo sab amamal transfer alip so sab amal transfer alip up to 320 dahil sila 1 year so kung mangkal 1 year employee up to ka librengi nga kadya and sabi kal gukti talong lak nga kamangisen sabi kal transfer yak nga sick leave well, up to that, and then direct kal nga rin yung das, rin yung kapeno rote, magmulwase. Also, maral mo, walang nga rin itirigal maral ospe, alam diya ka liberty, mitospe. Masa marko koloral mo, ngal direct kal kimome sa makloni, ang direct kal mo, mes rin direct kal allow ra transfer, annual leave, and then direct kal nga raul das mo. Yeah.
Elat yang okmong nga niya later igal blue alo pang governor ablu lorings tiang komulder siya olbile giril paserngi yadang timle executive order a governor egut makli
Executive order.
malungin hopefully igal tigal governor igal 15 states asab ilrong si emal di sel klisi ile also mal gut makli moral employees or this yeah.
The executive order
Yeah.
So hopefully malingol
Yeah. Hopefully sab either shout out and more igal another 15 states mo sab ilgut makli.
Sige sa lawang yan dyan, wasin, kira da kada bato ko lahat. Kada mati makasalaan. Aron lagi kare.
Yeah.
Please mind me, yakam tulwa say, laolabo tiriga mo ka adalo ruwa so. How many people are giving birth?
Mo song saudo.
So, you know, it's really, that's another thing. It's madrasyo. Bagay lolo to sulwa say. Hindi ka not that many people, other, let's say, agal maklokong bali. How many are giving birth at one in? Giril dit sa kagal dayra tir. How many of, tira madakal bato, madakal close. So, it's really not gonna make a dent under,
Yes,
so,
bigam na public health o missing moral. Timle, gel ngalakam mutal imo nga amlara o sombral namom kasar. Yeah.
Toktan meron nilwa silo. So, oy.
Ako mesar magkakarel they're more into their work nowadays. Nga niya article kung yung ngira 3-4 years ago at Times Magazine. Takmula sir magkakarel na mo madaktal longal ga leng expensive they did say takmula say maybe the world is coming to the end so they don't want their children to go through till end of times mang kodora di swadal duli sila ay hindi kaltil belang blue other rocky rin man na moklo kagari el ma blue rasina to koram la mo issue leng tadim la mo di maklo ade mal makasarol yeah
Sel material mada sakmal di mo sa alik kadi mo nga di wanir kalmut talmay ito malasin diak makmi ang nakadamalos pero ada sendiak hindi kalsab am afford. That's the main reason we cannot afford for allowance. I don't know, but for allowance they cannot afford. Makasimbay kumpay yung tut, meron ko uspagi the reusable diaper.
Galit di aralay mi akmlon araygal powder mi 3189. Ya osime mga ra hotel club.
So ila tray na doriwan at adilas for 3 days. So I say what is salary one time so $90.
Hindi mo are especially sell so
Every day.
other masuka $20,000 or less. It's just too much. Magmaral gaya they'll encourage breastfeeding.
You have to sterile water, sterile the bottle.
Yeah. Ewa always water of care orior. Maaragara. Dia malungil ko to kora maamar marawlo po makmul masarita malgukal do seseng gora di mga Hindi mo nga dodo kuk klamrelia closing kami tong sibre kubre nga sulir tial t-shirt tatut takal
Kalekar. Jangan so in closing once again chene kamal musaurate al musa amal may aktire kalmal di igong seigi del bildilia Dr. YB ma pila malgidelar ulumar policy makers Lawrence el angamata rongse erura en malveral enough dori working days and maternity leave ngwa mo makitarungot sila mera 2 weeks sa losong la blabol alternate with paral and family matular diling in preparation ng kakiren morior after 2 more weeks nung maluubet sila may completely tanastobe start trabaran. So din mo sa ikita so akal mga LRR policy makers in closing malutel look into the breastfeeding act maternity leave edim na yeye kamal sularate alla nga o yak invite ra tri Lawrence ang Tigil baseball players sa mo obang kamamara roadside campaign and then we welcome anybody el may otolor kamamara national team loldar sa del sign at promoter breastfeeding 4 p.m.
4 p.m. Okay. And I'm glad ko mo mention tial tokora hopefully our leaders are gida orings mga dado nga se masalutan mera 2 weeks at mutot 2 weeks 1 month da al enough mga dado always nga se makliib elargid level mareg el sumang first time mother ngiden mo masura makwaseng la direk ka gire the low spare tial kliib elar ka gide mista mingil alwase la gire direk ka morngi tial dial administrative leave and di tial leave traditional leave el morar adil mar adam el mo ngara ram asang al ubang oktamalelangal kalel loreng se tirimal mo pa mal mo ba to no but I'm serious kada di masada ay kada di masada klibe law masyugang argid hindi ko ako maral wase to show from the national and state level alwase so that preserve a culture, my tradition. Maybe we should do a traditional leave. El kukmal digir den mora tora omel. Magabay mal masaura.
Oh, madirek kalsel walkathon on Thursday. Direk ra 4 p.m. ra Erongwood Park to BN8. Mga matara everyone Lawrence Sertal radio station was say you very welcome to join us. Okay, in breastfeeding from
mal sa parire mga stroller kami mititiar ngalgi muwa kalobon tetigal ngalgi breastfeed looti campaign breastfeeding hopefully our leaders are the orings manglbol sa parilo mesel walk for life breastfeeding week relatirin mo rugut maklik dialla etong masamis gogomte era Coror state government man
Maktingong telte ale mal di mereng asaw la sa komsulal mle invite ra kama malkok may share mulwase what Coror state is doing. So thank you and I encourage policy makers every government masemal mulwase hal sa baari rel direct kal rule policy ste the all together the support building a families for komsulang.
Halip po. Tell for this maternity leave, I keep talking about, not only for breastfeeding, tell ba lang kalat, ngaradila need to recuperate mental and physical and psychological and spiritual health rin mal important. So that's another thing. He has to stay take care tell ba there's only I keep talking kita ko tell di makasay. We need people. We need effective and productive citizen. Makadamalo esperar dilal. Kita dilal mal. Kita tangalaro kulto ko ima. take care dapat nilang mother ang masulang.
In closing, ang maldi sa kalura nga sulilat siya, mal ko all the flexible at temel, manti kong ergidal. Sulang yatchen and for your support. I know, shout out to you, kang kamal dimle breastfeeder ang galgil. Direct shout out to tirigel private sectors, semi-private, maigil terstal, patokol terstang, obis rakabal mental, mal support, tertial breastfeeding, kung hirar mothers, matop titira ang galgil mo, order breastfeeder ang galgil. Makmal di mertiang orang suliw happy breastfeeding week apos ami pera irungon para kakluko mata cell roadside campaign that's Wednesday 4 p.m. talap PNOC ya Thursday ang cell walk ko doon ngara PNOC mora hospital return 4 p.m. direct komal misulang.
Mada ko malmasulal tewal guklo sa pamilme o pangge de guk share at tokora breastfeeding waigel blal du toktang happy breastfeeding week ela mo bes wasem got at clog to telela breastfeeding katamalol ngitrar at tulungal kama aruba karar adil lam el wasebom supportive almost pa ang idil niya suen sa pamilkan takta pilom Rita Olgarila uban Dr. Besarak kadidya kamalol ngitel wasela mo besel lobang algem el mora immunization ngi meselbol maaginter ang first grade ang malmo obul se lola igel patokolorus magadamalol ngit telwasi ali al ngaringi angot al ngidil garmiu al ubal sukum ang somya information emo tangal morselbel community health center a public health across Acoror Elementary School et mal madal muy lel mangira gamiu mo mal musulang alul banggeder el alsils ya Dios lolmol melomak ngal tangat tergider rogoy mapalwat pela ko mal musulang.